Hi everyone, I'm preparing a late night snack of some raspberry sorbet. I have frozen mango and raspberry, both picked up from Trader Joe's. I'm going to use some hemp seed for my topping. Of course, with sorbet, you definitely need some lemon, fresh, so I'll be squeezing fresh lemon juice. Really brings out the flavor, really gives it that tartness. I also had some organic raw agave from a previous recipe. I'm definitely more of a dates. I like to use dates if I have to for a recipe, but since I have the agave on hand, I'll be using that. So I have my agave, my fresh lemon juice, hemp seed, and my mango and raspberry. I may use one and a half fresh squeezed juice from lemons. I'll possibly add a little bit more. And yeah, so see you in a bit. What I've learned is that you definitely want to make sure that you don't have any seeds. Get out as much as possible. When you blend the seeds, it definitely affects the flavor. So I'm just going to remove as many seeds as I can at this point. Isn't it beautiful to have fruit with seeds though? Okay. Picked up these organic lemons from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is definitely my favorite place to pick up organic citrus. The lemons are so inexpensive, super affordable. Beautiful. And feel free to use as much lemon juice as you like for your taste. One lemon is probably more than enough for most people, but I like to get that extra tartness for me, so I'm using one and a half of lemons. This is our fresh lemon juice. I'm going to remove these seeds and then I'll start the next step. This is what it's looking like so far. I actually left my fruit out a little bit longer than usual, but it still works. You want to blend it as starting at a low, very low speed on your blender and then using your plunger if you have one and just plunge until it's smooth. Right now I'm going to scoop the sides and that will assist it blending to a much smoother texture. This is our finished result. I'm going to place it in my container. This is my fresh sorbet. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? You can see all the fresh fruits combined together, that richness of color. Homemade sorbet completely surpasses the store-bought sorbet. I had these containers from when Sprouts had this Roman raspberry on sale for $2.99. It was discontinued, so I love pretending I've purchased this sorbet, and I'll eat a little bit off the top, keep the rest in this container, place this top on it, and place it in my freezer, and it's almost like I purchased a sorbet. This particular brand is, I think it's like $4.99 at the store. I've been enjoying sorbet since 2007, and I used to love buying it at the store until when I made my own sorbet years ago. I realized how much sugar went into it, and it just completely deterred me from making sorbet until raw food came into my life. And I love how simple this is. Just fresh fruit, a little sweetener, whether you use agave or fresh dates, and that lemon juice, which really brings out the flavor. This completely surpasses any sorbet that you can buy in the store. Let me know if you all also enjoy sorbet. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Sorbet is pretty simple. This combination works with any fruit. You can do pineapple and mango, or you can do blueberry and pineapple, or you can just be as creative as you like. If you do bananas, that kind of goes into the nice cream category, so that's a completely different experience. But just the fresh fruits alone just definitely gives you that sorbet at home, and it's super simple, and I love it, and it just goes in line with how simple living food is, how nutrient rich it is, and how delicious it is. Thank you for watching. I'm going to eat this and have my late night snack. Bye.